Okay, everyone. Might have some good news over that lawsuit. This is just a test video, but let's go to this video here. It's marked private now, as you can see. Private. They were throwing in a lot of videos in private. We're going to see if we can pull them out. But more importantly, it's now monetized. Interesting. I've got a few comments about that from them. So they're going to stay monetized. Not that I'll make any money off of them, but and it'll stay, fair use content. It'll stay under my educational videos, so that's okay. Is what they afford me, so it won't affect me on my usage. And then look at this. So this is right here. It says, let me grab this again. It says analytics. So I can open analytics now on this and watch what happens. So view analytics, and then I go to reach. All right, so then here, right now it's at 142, reach. Now this is an old video now. It's already expired, so I don't know what, expired as far as going out. But let's see what happens when I press reach. And then, all right, so now it says impressions are 2.6 thousand. But more so under traffic source, it's now saying channel pages, notifications, 11%. That doesn't mean 11% of my thousands of subscribers are getting it. It just means, whatever they consider of the total. I don't know if that means 220 have been notified. Believe me, I was down to 50 randomly, and it took days to get to 50 because I would look at the 28 days, 7-day, and it was like, really? So they were trickling that out. So this percentage thing, this is not really worth the paper it's printed on. It's deceptive. But more so now we go down to top external links, Creative Studio. I don't know how that's a top external, what's going on there, but below that one now, it says top YouTube search terms. They finally are giving me back Champlain Towers. Look, Champlain Towers and Champlain Tower South. But the percentage is very low, 66% there. So I'm now back on target for the right content. Now let's unprivate this video. But first let's see where the overview, the total, these percentages. Yeah, there we go. So you can see 11% of 142 is, 11 people got notified. Or was it, let's see, back to reach. So back to reach on notifications, it says 11.3. So out of my thousands, 142 of that 11%, out of thousands, they notified, 17 of you. 17 people were notified. Let's look at the rest of this stuff. Engagement. You can see they flatlined it right there, all within flatlined, all within a hot minute. Audience, nothing to show for these days. Age, gender, okay, nothing there. Revenue, let's see what they say here. Estimated revenue, 54 cents. I'm still learning what this RPM means. I think that means what they advertise it at. They're saying that we can sell your stuff for $3.77 per 1,000 clicks. I've seen it. I remember a few years back when I tried to play this game and look at it. Just part of shadow banning was they had it was like $200+. So yeah, you think that's great? No, because no one's going to give you $200 to advertise. So it was a tricky way of making sure you didn't get paid, and that's when I made sure. I was like, I don't have time for this. And I was like, take me off of the income version of it, because that's just a scam. But they still market on your channel, so I think they tell you that, but then they're like, well, we're gonna put our stuff over top of there, but you won't get a dime. I don't know what this. So right there it says playback based on 895s. I'm confused there now. I don't know. Let's see if there's the dollar sign there somewhere. Well, that was it. Okay. So looking at it, it says your estimated ad revenue, 52 cents. Your YouTube premium revenue, 2 cents. skippable ads. There we go. Whatever that means. I don't care. I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing this for educational reasons, getting it out there to you. As you know, 52 cents. I put a lot more in these videos than 52 cents. And let's go this now. Let's try another one. So that is shadow banning Champlain Towers video. That's that title there. Let's go out and let's find, because I saw this, I checked it a couple times. It appears to be in line now. The very top one, the lawsuit one, I don't think they'll have that yet. But let's try it. I'm going to bottom page. Go to Video Analytics and Reach, and then let's see where they line this up. Okay, it says not enough data. I saw that. And notifications, 25%. All right, so overview, 25% of 72 views. So 33 people were notified. That seems better if that's right. If they're basing it on that percentage based on the views. I don't know. I really don't know. It seems like a lot more of you are commenting on this video. So it appears that if I go to the comments here, it appears Embry wrote, "Where'd you go?" So Embry saw me now, and a few other people saw me. I'm surprised. So we'll test it. How about the Boston parking garage? Check this out. I clicked on the Boston parking garage, and then I hit go to analytics, and lo and behold, look at this under reach. Under your top video searches, they look Boston garage, Boston parking garage, engineering failures. That's pretty reasonable, except for Fab Rats, whatever that is. I don't like Fab Rats. Don't know what it is. I try to click on it. You can click on it, and Fab Rats, nothing. I forget how you click on these, but I should be able to click on them, and it would be able to send me to there. Oh, it would be top videos. Top videos, what is the big thing. Top videos suggesting this, and then here is where we get a little funky. Let's do that. Let's open this up, and we see now audio post workflows 2022 Dodge Ram. Okay, it's a parking garage video, so I can see that. CB Department, Wisconsin for video audio. Wait a minute. Robinson, I think that's a helicopter, collision. Okay, well that's fair still, because I said parking garage. Russian soldiers defending and sold. Okay, that's a car. Marine Towers. That's my own video. How I got scammed buying a cheap something automobile. You need to watch this before it's too late. Let's look at that one. If it's a car or not. Stop blocking.
The enemy can't block your blessings, but you can if you keep doing these. Sometimes.
Okay. So stop. What's the title? I can't see the title, damn it. I can't see the title. Okay. You need to watch this before it's too late. Powerful motivational video. I do watch the motivational videos. I like to see different ones. Right now I'm tracking on procrastination. Trying to see what a key procrastination, the key to procrastination. That is a critical thing in our life that we procrastinate for a reason. That's amygdala related. I'm trying to trigger it, and it's reward based. We procrastinate because we're not getting a refund on our on our efforts, and that's why we procrastinate. You know, hey, I got to clean that fan today. You know what? That's not going to be rewarding. I know I should clean it. Nothing's going to come of it. Let's get out of that. Let's go home again. YouTube Studio. Where is it? YouTube Studio. So backwards. Let's do so that I would say that's pretty fair. The parking garage one, you know, it's not the best. How about concrete cracks and shear? No, we won't do that. I think I already did it. I think I gave him a pass on that too. These are blocked. Ukraine give war a chance. I stated they've been blocked now, and they were not part of it, but they went into the block, and I think they've changed View Analytics how they suggest it reach. Doomsday Clock, Doomsday Military Industrial Complex. See, that's fair under top search terms. It should say Ukraine rather, shouldn't it? Nope, I said Doomsday Clock. Yeah, no, see, that's fair. So let's try the Champlain Towers NIST. Oh, this is going to be worth it. Champlain Tower. What? My finger messed up. Champlain Towers. NIST silence my channel. Alright, so first off, they put monetization limited ads. Now, why would that be limited? Why would that be limited, guys? They're the ones controlling the marketing and everything else, but it shows that you don't talk about government. It's private. You see it says private there. So let's see the analytics on this. Let's see if it hits Champlain Towers. Let's go to reach. And Champlain Towers. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, what did I just click? Champlain Towers. Champlain Towers South. Oh, I can't believe it, guys. It looks like everything's looks like it's working. And then I get this. The Western sanctions. The Patriot is personal. Concrete, strong intention. My own video. 7 slot machine secrets. But the top 2 are another one. Shadow banning. That's my own channel. Champlain Tower NIST destroys evidence. These are my own videos. So they sanctioned me by saying it's under the top search. But in reality, they're suggesting videos. They're making sure it's still shadow banned, because this is how they're putting it out there. They're not. And then below that, when it says top videos, playlist playing, this is my own. So I don't know if this will come up. Let's see if we can change the settings on this. Okay, so edit. Let's go with schedule, and let's put that out there today. Let's reach. Let's do this. It's 10:30, so let's go with AM. Let's go with 10:45. Let's do that. Let's go back and let's publish it. So let's see if this works. This is a 10:45 test, and I'm going to publish this video now. But let's do. How about this one? Concrete reaction. No. Let's try another Champlain one. The cameras. There we go. Champlain Towers cameras. Let's do the analytics. I'm doing everything they told me to do. You know, view, reach, and let's go for traffic source. Okay, so it's actually saying the searches are all Champlain Towers related now. Now let's go to, well, let's push this out here because this was private now. Let me screenshot it. This is what it looks like now. Let's see if they change it, because right now that's shadow banned. Right now, this is all shadow banned content here. You can see that that's their suggesting videos, that this is not JFK. This is Champlain Towers, and not one is Champlain Towers here. All right, so let's go back again. Let's do that again. Under YouTube search terms, if you search, you get it's correct. It's correct here now. This wasn't like that before. This is correct, except for this thing called what? Condo collapse. What's Condo? I might have to look that up. CONNEL collapse. The last one there in the middle. All right, so let's post this, and we're going to come back to this. So let's change the settings to see if it's work out the public again. So let's go private, and then schedule, and then this one, and then back, and then 31st. Press OK, and let's go with 1040. That was 1040. Let's go with 11 a.m. and let's set it. And back and save. Let's try that. I'm going to publish this video right now. See how it works. If I can get this to work. Okay. Take care, guys. We'll find out. Let's work this together. And I do have that other channel. You guys should go over there and check it out. Right now, they're leaving me alone over there. Totally non-monetized. It's just something I had on reserve there. And I am not going to pick on... Sorry, guys. I'm going to have to, let the powers that be. I have a psychologist who told me a long time ago, a psychiatrist. He said, you got to talk their language. Well, their language is if you attack them, they attack back and they win. They silence your voice. So it looks like if I find something negative with the NI whatever, the street, NI street, you guys put that together, right? Looks like I'm just going to have to stay silent on it. If I see something with the NI street on it. You guys know what, just spell what I just spelled and you know what I'm talking about. So it looks like, you know what they say, you can't fight City Hall. Well, I got to pass on this one maybe if this starts showing up with the lawsuit. But let's see what happens. But I'm not going to push it anymore. I'm just going to have to. You guys are going to have to read between the lines. I'll do some between the lines videos. Okay. Bye.